word is personal for me. It recognizes that I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care.
có một cái là bỏ chiêu luôn.
Portion of our ceremony, I would like to share some information behind the meaning and tradition of the pinning ceremony. During the Middle Ages, guilds of craftspeople were formed to promote the high standards of their work and offer support and assistance to their members. The apprenticeships required learners to demonstrate that they had attained the necessary skills and knowledge of their craft. Once the apprenticeship was completed, the craftsperson could be admitted to the guild and was awarded a metal badge signifying their achievement. Elaborate badges made of precious metals and gems came to symbolize marked achievements, and throughout time were presented by monarchs and governments to individuals who made great contributions to their fellow humans. Such was the case in 1855 when Florence Nightingale returned from the Crimean War and was awarded the Nightingale Jewel by Queen Victoria. The awarding of pins or badges to outstanding graduates of nursing schools continued until 1880 when Bellevue Hospital Training School in New York awarded all graduates of the program a pin. By 1916, the practice of pinning at the completion of one's nursing education was a standard practice in each school, and the pins included symbols in language that were specific to their programs. We continue that tradition today as we recognize these graduates of the nursing program. The symbol on the St. Kate's pin is the lace that the Sisters of St. Joseph taught poor women to make to support themselves and their families. The pin recognizes that today's graduates have attained the necessary skills and knowledge of their craft and are welcomed into the profession of nursing. After students step off the stage, Professor Mary Mulder and Dr. Val Pearson will bless us.
Of a chapter, but a representation of a journey made possible by parents who, despite having very little, gave everything to ensure their daughter could live out her dreams. This pinning represents not just Charisma's accomplishment, but the fulfillment of her parents' dreams for her. Elise Weinsera. Elise is being pinned by her mom, Risa, who has been a constant source of support and encouragement throughout her nursing journey. Risa, along with all of Elise's loved ones, has helped her realize that with hard work and determination, she can achieve anything she sets her mind to. Taylor Whipple. Taylor is being pinned by her grandma Ann, a constant source of strength and compassion, who has been one of her biggest supporters and a true inspiration. Garcia Yang. Garcia is being pinned by her mom Fang, who has been one of the main pillars in her life. Please join me in congratulating all of the graduates of
đang đi nợ nữa.
May you all go forth to serve through your thoughts, your hearts, and actions. Go in peace with the knowledge of human and spiritual healing your hands every day. It is the hands that turn nursing tasks and skills into acts of mercy and human caring. It is the
Là phải chế đó, nó này. Nó là một chế nữa.
Isn't it new? Well, it's like the new version of
Chị bảo xe đẹp quá.
we have
Bây giờ nó phở
we have R
nó phở cái nhâm cái này
R58 on
là tự rồi chị nó phở
O117 large duck, very spicy. C92 medium tofu, C83 medium tofu, L112 medium chicken. So you want
chị tay phở nữa.
no matter what.
Vậy khác khó lắm nó tôi tạo cho không thì số đâu dạ này.